Right.
Why do we have this concept in Kurdish and not in English?
Yeah.
Not necessarily from a viewpoint of one culture is better than the other, but both have a reason. And so part of that language sticking and having deeper meaning is understanding the cultural implications behind it.
Often when a language has more specific vocabulary for something than another language has, that is because that culture is stronger in that area, or they prioritize it more. So English historically has been called the businessman's friend. English historically has been the language of business and science for the last 500 years. And so lots of business terminology, lots of science terminology. If you are going to study these areas of life, English is going to have specific words for all of these. But English doesn't have as many specific words for family relationships.